Greetings everyone! In today's video, we will quickly learn how you can change the username and password using the database. Now, we are trying to log into our website, but we forgot the password, so we will change the password using the database. The other simple way is to click on Lost Your Password, write the email, and you will receive a reset password link. If this doesn't work, then let's do it with the database. For that, log into your cPanel. We are already in. Go to phpMyAdmin. So we are in the database. Click on your database name and click on WP Users. Now here, you will find all the users for your website. Here, we have 2 users, and these are the user names. And this is the encrypted password, and this is the email address. Now let's change the password for this user. Click on Edit. You can change the username here. Type a new username, and this is the password. User pass. Change to anything you want. However, after changing the password, make sure to choose MD5. This is absolutely necessary. You can also change the email ID, but I will leave it. Leave this to default. Let me change the nickname too. So we changed the username from demo to test, and as well changed the password. After doing this, click on Go. So it is done. So our username is test, and the password is encrypted. Let's try to log in with the new username test and password. And you can see are now logged in as test. And you can go to users and change passwords to other users if you are an administrator. Thank you very much.